Hi everybody, it's Rachel from DCHS again. So this time I'm going to be talking to you guys about it's an app, but it's also a website. It's called Band. It's a really great app or website for communicating with large groups of people. So you could use this for communicating with PD teams, so professional development teams. You could use it for communicating with student organizations. You could use it for communicating with parents. You could use it for communicating with classes. I prefer to use this for my student organizations and then other smaller groups, just because it's kind of harder to keep track of really large groups in this app. But I really like it for my Stuco members. So far, this is our first year using it. I really love it though, because anyone can post, not just the admin. So anyone can post, anyone can create invites. We've got a whole bunch going on our Band app right now because of homecoming. And that's this week for us. So that's really cool. So yeah, and it's just kind of like a Facebook page for your group, and you only have invited members that come on the group. There is a shared calendar as well. I don't know if we have any events on the calendar yet, but this is a shared calendar where we could add events. So like if I wanted to see, so then it's homecoming. It starts at 1 a.m. on that day, goes all day. I don't want to share the post. I don't want to RSVP. I just want to put it on there. So we're just going to hit OK. Homecoming. So then I'm going to add not Wednesday, Tuesday, so tomorrow. We have a poster contest at the soccer game. And that happens at 5-ish p.m. 5 p.m.-ish. Reminder, nobody needs to RSVP. I'm going to do a reminder about 30 minutes before so kids can get there on time. So we're just going to go ahead and add that. Wonderful. See? So then that's cool. We've got all of our events there. We can add one more event here. We've got a block party. And we will set this for 6 o'clock p.m. 6 p.m. We're going to remind kids 30 minutes before. Nobody needs to RSVP. Supplication. Agree. Go. It's going to take me to attach a map. Maybe. Oh, allow. Okay. So that's where I am. So nobody come find me, please. I don't know how to. Oh, there it is. Okay. I've just got to be smarter than it. And we will be right here. Be right there. Add location. Ta-da. Alright. Block party's there. So that's cool. And if you go back, you can see all posts by a lot of so this one was by me telling my kids to go retweet this today. And then this is another one of the students adding their sign-up sheet for a penny war thing that they have going on this week. This is our Stuco president also asking kids to share the QR code for voting. Another Stuco member giving me another sign-up sheet. So yeah, it's just a really great place to have everybody here. I found it works a lot better than Remind. just because students respond to it. It also works a lot better than GroupMe. Yeah, I mean, it's just a really, really great way to communicate. And so far, I've gotten a lot more responses on this than I have on anything else. And then see, after I added stuff to our event calendar, it's got upcoming events, and this is a good little reminder dashboard for kids. That's really awesome. So yeah, this could be useful for communicating with parents, families, other teachers. I think that this would connect a lot with a lot of people's values on communicating with the community and communicating back with parents about education things. So like this could be a really great way to update parents about things that are happening in your classroom. That's an idea that I think I might mess with later on. I might create a parent page on Band App for each one of my different classrooms. Each one of my different classes, just so that like they have access to it. Something that I think is true about this app that's not true about Remind is that it does not have a limit of members that you can have total. I think it limits the band, like each band that you have, but I don't think it limits your amount total. So that's cool. Anyway, so yeah, Band App is a really cool app for communication. In collaboration. So if you guys have any questions about how I use Band App, just let me know and post a comment below and I might be able to help you out. Thanks.